Shuh nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulaong ba amde shu bandang ya Khyllie ha ka bayade bat ka jing Pynbeit ya uput usam ha ki hinrio na ki khat artli ki Jaka badan ka jing ya ka japuat bat ka Meghalaya ya kani Himanta ula kren shakilat patay kubor ha North Eastern Police Academy ka baha Umsau Ribhoi District ha ka sngi balang Himanta ula ong ru ba ka jingdawa ban pet biang ya ka Soskular balai soi hapadeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam Halor ki hinrio tali ki Jaka kala pauru ha ka jilla Assam nalor kata ulai thu ba ka jing ya kren bat Pynbeit ya uput usam ha ki hinrio tali ki wei pat ki Jaka kila ban sedang hau banai jiliu lani naitung mentau snem.
As you know, we have some kind of border dispute in 12 sites between Assam and Meghalaya. Now, Assam and Meghalaya, in presence of Union Home Minister, has signed a memorandum of understanding, basically for solution of 6 disputed sites. So now, Survey of India is working. According to our memorandum of understanding, they will put border pillar and thereafter the entire agreement will be formalized. However, there are 6 other disputes to be resolved and we hope to start discussion on that other 6 also sometime around June and July.
Sir, do you think since the opposition, mainly in the state of Meghalaya, there's a demand for revisit of this agreement?
I think now that agreement has sealed and signed. There is a demand from Assam opposition also to revisit. But I have answered in the assembly that after all these are lands belongs to India. As a brothers, as a sisters, we have signed an agreement. We have come to a closure so far as that 6 site is concerned. So we should not reopen the issue.